Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Ito po ang biyahe ng... teka lang. ng isang kabisyo nating tatawagin natin sa pangalang Joanna. Ito ang biyahe ng buhay ni Joanna. Dear DJ Lala, minsan tinatanong ko sa sarili ko kung tama ba yung nararamdaman ko. Hindi ko po maintindihan kung pagmamahal ba to o sadyang nag-iisip lang ako na mahal ko talaga yung tao pero andun na ako sa point na hindi ko na siya magawang iwasan. Hindi ko alam kung totoong love ba yung nararamdaman ko kasi madalas kwene-question ko din yung sarili ko dahil yung taong nagugustuhan ko, babae din. Alam ko medyo weird kasi babae ako at babae din yung nagugustuhan ko. Ang masaklap pa doon, hindi ko matanggap sa sarili ko na pati sa kapwa ko babae, nagkakagusto din ako. Kasi hindi naman yun yung ine-expect sa akin ng mga magulang ko. Ano po ba ang gagawin ko kasi sa ngayon, nahihirapan akong magdesisyon sa sarili ko. And to makaraig from Ami P3. Alam kong parehas nating napakikinggan to. Hope you understand bakit ganito kagulo ang pinaramdam ko sa'yo. Yan. More power to your show. This is Joanna. My love, ganito, no? First, gusto kong tanggalin mo sa mentalidad mo that what you are feeling right now or yung what you think you are feeling right now, which is yung magkaroon ng gusto sa isang babae or kapwa mo babae, is mali. Yung gender preference natin doesn't define who we are. Kung tayo ay nagkakagusto sa babae, kapwa natin babae or kapwa natin lalaki, it doesn't define who we are as a person. Ugali natin yung nagde-define nun. Attitude natin yung nagde-define nun. At hindi yun yung buong pagkatao natin. I want you to remove that from your mentality na it's wrong. Kung ang gender preference mo ay taliwas sa what is expected of you. If that is part of who you are, if that is a part that makes you who you are right now, I don't want you to feel sorry for it. Hindi mo naman yan pinili Naramdaman mo yan. So I don't want you to blame yourself. If ever ma-figure out mo by the end of the day na yan ang gender preference mo, I don't want you to blame yourself. I don't want you to feel sorry for yourself. And I don't want you to apologize for it. Kasi again, that doesn't define who you are, and I want you to remember that. Gusto kong tandaan mo yon, mahal ko. Now, as for kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, hindi mo alam kung dinedefine mo ba siya as love. Kasi hindi ka din sure if tama bang nararamdaman mo yan. Kasi it's all happening so fast. And this is something that you haven't felt before. Then my love, I want you to take time. I don't want you to jump on things right away just because gusto mo siyang labelan. Just because gusto mo siyang i-define. Or gusto mo siyang mahanapan ng definition. Kasi for a thing na mahanapan mo ng definition, kailangan ma-identify mo kung ano siya . And right now, wala kang capacity to do so. You are emotionally in turmoil. Kumbaga, magulo pa yung pakiramdam mo kasi you are rediscovering yourself as we speak right now. So I don't want you to rush things just because gusto mo nang labelan kung ano yung nararamdaman mo at kung ano ka. This is the time not to get into a relationship, to commit yourself to someone. This is the time to really get to know who you are. Imagine mo ganito na lang, mahal ko. Itong instance na to, ay inopen yung eyes mo to a side of you na hindi mo pa na-explore. To a side of you na hindi mo alam na nag-e-exist before. This instance opened a door for you to recognize yourself even more. To get to know yourself even more. So I want you to take that chance. Kilalanin mo muna yung sarili mo. Siguraduhin mo muna kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo before mo iparamdam sa iba. You don't need to cut ties. Hindi mo naman kailangan magputol ng relationship just because gusto mong i-isolate yung sarili mo dahil kikilalanin mo nga yung sarili mo. You don't have to do that. Sometimes, other people know us better than we know ourselves. So, hayaan mong yung mga malapit sa'yo, yung totoo sa'yo, yung nagmamahal sa'yo, sila yung maging salamin mo para makita mo kung sino ka talaga. Let them be your mirror, my love. But do not jump in to any relationship. Do not decide on things right now. Huwag ka munang mag-label ng mga bagay-bagay sa buhay mo ngayon. Do not expect too much from yourself. Do not get over yourself. What I mean is, huwag mong pangunahan yung pwedeng mangyari. Kasi right now, uulitin ko, you're not even sure what's happening. The only way you can do that is kilalanin mo muna yung sarili mo. Tignan mo muna yung takbo ng panahon and tignan mo kung saan kanya dadalhin. I know you are scared. Yan naman yung mga problema ng mga gustong mag-out eh. Pero yung mga gustong mag-out kasi, ando na sila agad sa puntong alam na nila kung sino sila and naghahanap na lang sila ng tamang timing para sabihin sa mga taong malalapit sa kanila, taong mahal nila, kung sino talaga sila. Dahil sigurado na sila. Pero ikaw wala ka pa namang kailangang aminin eh. Wala ka pa dun sa out stage, kumbaga. Andun ka pa lang sa discovery stage. So let yourself discover who you are. Huwag ka magmadali, my love. If mawawala yung mga taong yan while you are trying to discover who you are, then you know that those people are not the right person or not the right people na deserving makilala kung sino ka talaga. Na deserving makilala kung ano talaga yung ikaw. Kung ano yung kaya mong i-offer. Kung ano yung kaya mong ibigay. Yung parte na yan ng pagkatao mo that will be one with you for the rest of your life, they are not worthy yet to meet that person, that version, that side of you. Hindi sila worthy. Kung mawawala sila while you are in the process of getting to know kung sino ka talaga. Huwag ka magmadali. I'm not gonna tell you na it's gonna be easy kasi it won't. Some people might not understand. Some people might take time to process it. Pero again, that's all in the future. What I want you to do is live today. Do something about it now. Be sure of what you feel right now. And the only way to do that is kung ikaw muna ma-accept mo kung sino ka. Kasi that's the thing, my love. You cannot ask the people to accept you if you haven't accepted who you are yet. Hanggat hindi mo pa tinatanggap kung sino ka, kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, then you cannot expect people to do that for you. Naintindihan mo ko, mahal? So take time. Take time to love, get to know, embrace, and accept who you are. Then, you face your hurdles one by one. Each problem at a time. Huwag sabay-sabay, huwag kaliwat kanan. Dahan-dahan. Ang coming out is always a process, my love. Acceptance will always be a process. Start within, and then everything will follow through. Naintindihan mo? Huwag ka mag-alala, my love. Sa mga panahon na to, iba na ang lawak ng pagtanggap ng tao. Maraming tao na ang nagpatotoo na even if yun ang gender preference nila, it doesn't really change the goodness they can do in this world. Some people are even better sa mga tinatawag nating straight. So kung kayang tanggapin ng ibang parents yung mga anak nila, I don't think your parents will have a problem accepting you if that day comes. But for now, again, unahin mo muna yung sarili mo. Kilalanin mo, tanggapin mo, yakapin mo yung pagkatao mo. Saka ka lumabas sa mundo. Huwag ka mag-alala, naghihintay lang yung mundo sa araw na confident ka nang ipakilala yung tunay mong pagkatao. Klaro? Klaro.